This is the PayDC online scheduler. There are many functions of this that you can customize from your advanced settings, but I want to show you the patient interface for the online scheduler. What happens is you are provided with a unique hyperlink and or an embed button that you can place on your website. And when a patient clicks on that link or that button, they are taken to this screen here, which shows the name of your clinic, and then it allows the patients to log in if they're an existing patient to request an appointment or sign up if they've never been in before. And so if this person has never been to your clinic before, they click on sign up. They're required to put in some basic patient data here to request the initial appointment. Once this is done, they save this and receive an email that gives them a temporary password so that when they are here, they're able to log in. Okay, so whether they're a new patient or a returning patient, they're able to log in with their email address and their password. And that brings them here to the scheduling page. Now there's a pop-up that you can create if you would like to describe your clinic and explain some things to the patient, give them instructions, maybe put a link in there if you want them to go and find and download some other forms or read some other information. So you can put whatever you want in this customized little pop-up, or you can not have one. And then the patient basically goes through 4 steps. They choose the branch location, the appointment type, the provider, and the appointment date and time. Now this example has multiple branches. I have 2 here. If you only have one, then it will automatically select the one that you have. And then you hit next. So I'm going to choose this office location. Notice that pop-up information is still down here, and then the basic office information is down at the bottom as well. Then we choose the appointment type. So this branch offers 3 different appointments that patients can schedule online. This can all be customized, and these descriptions can be customized to describe what those appointments are about or to give them advice about it, and all that information. If you only have one appointment type available, it will default to that appointment type. And there you go. You choose next, and it moves to the 3rd step, which is the provider. This clinic happens to have 3. So you can, if you only have one, then you would choose that one and be done with it. And then the last screen allows you to choose a time. I have no more times available on this date, but if I look at tomorrow, I can see that I'm wide open. So let's pick a 2 o'clock time slot. You hit confirm, and now you can see that the confirmation has been collected. This is their appointment time, the provider, the location. The patients can schedule another appointment, and you can limit the number of appointments they can schedule per day. Or if they're a new patient, they can click here to complete the patient intake and be taken to their core information, just like they would when you email them an invite to access this online and set up their account and do their history and so on. And so that's the process for new patients to go ahead and add the complete intake. Existing patients could be done and skip this page. They would receive an email confirmation and or a text confirmation. And you can also designate someone at the office in the clinic to receive an email and or a text confirmation as well that an appointment has been scheduled. Meanwhile, back in the scheduler page in the software, you can see there's now an appointment for this patient. And if I hover over her name, I can see several things. At the very top of that, it says this appointment has been scheduled via the online scheduler. In the appointment notes, it says online appointment, and at the bottom, it designates who created this appointment, and it was her rather than one of the other users in the system. In addition, there are multiple new fields in the reports here that can help you track who was scheduled online and so on. And so that is how the online scheduler works for PayDC.